What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to update you guys, quick update on the panels on the Element here that I treated with Ultimate Black. It's been about almost a month almost 2 months now actually since I treated it. It's gone through about 4 different car washes. I just actually had a car wash a couple of days ago. Maybe count, a few snowstorms and rainstorms. So it's as you can see, it's getting a little faded now. It still looks good in my opinion. I mean, it's not as black as it was when I first applied it on, but it's definitely still a lot better than when I had it before. There was if you haven't seen my other video, I did a before and after video of before I treated it. So as you can see, try to get a close up. It's getting a little faded. I'm probably gonna try and apply it soon. But I'm pretty satisfied with how it worked out. Looked pretty good. Actually, also got this new roof rack. I also treated it with Ultimate Black. It's Yakima. And yeah, it looks pretty good as well. It's faded a little bit. It was faded before and then treated it. And just another thing I installed today was my little hitch. Just barely installed it. This is the Reese Power 2-inch hitch, class 3. Working out good. Pretty simple bolt on actually. Really simple. Took about 30 minutes to install all by myself. Pretty proud of myself. No, not the first time I've installed a hitch. I actually installed a hitch on my 99 Honda Accord before. But this one was a lot more simpler. I didn't even have to jack it up. Didn't have to drop anything. All I had to do was pretty much bolt it on. Really simple. Bought it on Amazon for it was an Amazon warehouse deal for like $125. So if you can find one used, highly recommend it. I mean, this thing was still used, but looked like it was brand new. It's rarely priced at like $148 or $150. And I got it for like $123 shipped. Figured I was like, alright. And I've always had good luck with Amazon warehouse deals, so that wasn't too bad at all. But yeah, you can see also the panels if you look it up. So there you go. It's just a quick update on my Element. Hopefully weather's getting nice, so it's gonna be time for some adventures and try to take this out, try to go fishing, do some camping and all that stuff, my adventure mobile. If you have any questions, let me know, comment below. Please like and subscribe.